Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X1. So you've got your eye control here, telephone and menu. If we just click on telephone there, it brings up Bluetooth menu. You'll also see there's a cog at the side there with option written on. If I go to click it across to option and then turn down to Bluetooth devices, you'll see there add new device or paired, Barry's iPhone. And again, you've got this option cog at the side, so we'll flick it across there. Switch control off, configure device or remove device, and we want to remove device. That's it gone.